Now, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated, relax, and be silent as we welcome the night creature of the Philippines. Alright, so everyone, can you guess what was our next bird? And yes, it's our Philippine eagle owl named Boo. So, Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl species here in the Philippines. As you can see, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can easily spot prey for up to 2 kilometers away. Now for their diet, they prey on small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And when they are flying, they can fly very silent because of their special feathers that made them glide quietly. That's why they're also known as the silent stalker or the silent hunter of the night. Just like other owls, they can rotate their heads for up to 270 degrees. And yes, that is possible because they have 14 neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot prey and stay aware of its surroundings without even moving its whole body. And they are locally known here in the Philippines as wago or bukaw. Now, a round of applause to our Philippine eagle owl named Boo.